Hey.
Hey, how are you?
Not too bad, how are you?
Good. Okay, so what do we need? Just leave it on that. Hopefully we can get this sorted.
Did it just start messing up today, or?
Last night, I was teaching last night, and my middle TV wouldn't turn on.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, cool, I can do with 2 TVs.
Yeah, yeah.
Feel good. And then as I turned the TV on and off to like sort of just reset that last night, the whole, what we call the Raspberry Pi,
Yep.
just died. And it wouldn't turn back on.
Yeah, okay.
So I fiddled around with it last night because I knew sort of what we had to do, like just turn it off and on. And then I came in early this morning to sort it out because I couldn't get it sorted last night. And it still didn't really want to work. And I pulled out, so this is it here.
Yep.
What is like the system basically. And there's a black button there which is the on off button. So I've held that down, I've pulled all the plugs out, put them back in. I've done the most logical things.
The on and off, the on and off method.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotcha. Yeah.
And then, oh, sorry, I was this morning. Yeah, so it's just doing this, and then when you turn it off, it will just say no signal. I don't know if I turned the TV on yet.
So it does it for all the TVs? Like it programs all the TVs, right? Yeah.
So this one TV last night just wouldn't turn on.
Okay. And those other two?
These other 2 turned on last night.
Yep.
So then after I finished class, there's a switch behind it and I turned that on and off.
Yep.
And then it tripped out, yeah.
Okay. Could you turn the other 2 TVs on,
Yeah.
please?
I can. But this morning I didn't have lights. I couldn't get any lights on
Yeah.
the Raspberry Pi.
Okay.
And now it's got those green
Yeah.
lights on it.
So are you having any other issues with anything else in the studio, or is it just this?
Our mic will sometimes drop out and turn on and off.
How'd you go?
I don't actually know what the
Password is.
Hey. You're alright. I'm just with the IT guy. Do you know by chance what the password would be for the computer? He just took the SD card out and just wanted to put it into a computer. And I was like, oh, you have this out in front. And then, yeah, all throughout my classes this morning, so that's our program thing.
Yeah.
But that's it then. Which would normally take up the whole screen. Doesn't want to click through.
Yeah, that SD card, the video on it might not be formatted to fit the size of the TV.
Yeah. It could be one, because we've got another TV in the stretch room.
Yep.
So it could be that one. Yeah.
Okay. So that auto connects and then resizes. My assumption is the SD card's cooked.
Yeah, that makes sense. You've taken that in it now.
So I've swapped them over.
Yeah.
What I'd want to do with that other SD card is, if you have the issues again, if the issue occurs again, get in contact with me, and then we'll have a computer. I'll bring a computer, or we'll have access to a computer, and then I'll open up that SD card and see. Because that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking it is. It's good that it's not like a power issue or anything, because
Yeah, that's good to know. Yeah. So
yeah.
that's today's whole program there.
Yeah, normally with these things, if that red light flashes, then it's not getting enough power to it, and that can cause issues as well. Yeah, it wasn't just a solid color, like that flashes, that red light.
I did notice it was flashing,
Mm-hmm.
and then it went solid.
Yep.
But when I was fiddling around with it last night, yeah.
Yeah, okay. If that does flash and then it just turns off, that means it's not getting enough power.
Okay.
Which was another thing I wanted to look at, but it's pretty solid now. Yeah, I'm thinking SD card, honestly.
Yeah. Should we try that original one in there and see if it does the same?
Well, do you want to? We can if we want to. Yeah.
So SD.
Yeah,
Cool.
easy.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
That's all good, no problem at all.
Thanks for sorting that.
That's all good.
This
I'll
morning, just let the boys know.
yeah. I'll leave a business card here.
Yeah, amazing. Thank you. So then, if we have any issues, we can just contact you.
Yeah, I'll let them know. But yeah, everything should be good. Anything else you want me to look at while I'm here? Everything else
So, I
works?
think everything else is sweet.
Yep.
Who knows? Something might blow up tomorrow.
Yeah, okay.
joking.
All good.
Oh, good.
All right, cheers.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
All good.